Hello there and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We're working on a spa today and fixing a leak. Down here, this is the suction pipe off the bottom suction, and the part you're looking at here, there's a T coming off with a drain, and that actually runs to this little pipe here, and it runs out to the side to the drain where your spa drains out. This had been snapped off. Here is the old fitting, and you can see the attempts at repairs, but this little bit of white in there is supposed to be part of the fitting still attached, and then the tube comes over the top of it and is clamped on. You can see they've really had a go at sealing that, but have been unsuccessful. The reason they've been unsuccessful is because that's cracked right off. Every little flex and movement is just gonna make it leak. So that's what's gone on there. So what we need to do is replace it, and to do that, obviously can't reuse that. I'm not going to scrape all that silicone off and so forth, so I've just cut it off. Got a little piece of new hose here with a spring clamp on it and a joiner, and these parts are available. Contact me if you need to get hold of some of those parts. I'll put links in the description. We're going to simply put a joiner in the hose to join the existing hose here on. That's the easy part. And then here there is a little bit of this barb left, so I'm going to have a look to see if I can get a good seal on it to use it. Otherwise it's a matter of cutting that off flush and then getting the heat gun in there, heating that fitting up, and then taking that glued in fitting out of that T and replacing the barb, and then simply putting it on again. So that's the stages we're at, and yeah, if you want to do that sort of repair yourself, these tubes here, you'll see on your jets here, this is the water tube coming in here, and this is the air tube coming in here. This is the Venturis, the air down. This is where the water gets driven in, and that's the same size pipe that they've used on the drain. So you can get spares for all of these if you need to take repairs. And the way to do it is simply to put a piece of glue, PVC glue on, and a piece of glue in there. Then you press the two together. Now you'll see this tube here is quite flexible and soft. This tube here though, the ones off a spa are always rock hard. That one's actually not too bad, but often they go very hard. You just need a heat gun or a hairdryer if you've got it, and don't make it too soft, you then won't be able to push it on the fitting, but just heat it up a little bit so that it becomes softer, and then you'll be able to push it over whatever fittings you got. So the big tip is to use some hot air out of a hairdryer or out of a heat gun to make that supple, and then you'll be able to repair it and put it back together. I've just been cutting the silicone off that fitting there so that we can see if there's enough to get a purchase on and glue on the new drain pipe. There's no pressure here. That's the suction line, so it comes under suction rather than under pressure, so it's not going to blow off under pressure. We'll see if we can get a good purchase on it and repair it that way.